Hey friends, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your go-to place for honest product reviews. Today, we're talking about something soft, squishy, and absolutely adorable, the Panda Soft Toy. Is it as good as it looks? Let's hug it out and find out. At first glance, this panda is a total heart stealer. The plush fabric feels super soft to the touch, and the big round eyes make it look extra cute. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and makes for a perfect gift for kids or panda lovers. When it comes to first impressions, it definitely delivers that awe factor. The stuffing feels fluffy and even, which makes it comfy to cuddle. The stitching on most high-quality versions is neat, and the fur is gentle on the skin. No rough patches. Plus, it's washable, so you don't have to worry about it losing its charm after a few weeks. Honestly, it's the kind of toy you'll want to keep on your bed or sofa just for the cuteness. That said, not every seller delivers the same quality. Some cheaper options can have uneven stuffing, smaller sizes than advertised, or a mild factory smell at first. The good news? These are usually easy to fix with a quick wash and airing out, but it's something to keep in mind before buying. For the quality and cuteness you get, I'd say it's worth it if you choose a trusted seller. Prices can range from budget-friendly to premium, so make sure you check real buyer photos and reviews to know what you're getting. A little extra spent on a reputable store can make a big difference. Overall, the Panda Soft Toy is a win for me. It's soft, adorable, and perfect for cuddles. Just make sure you buy from a reliable source to avoid any disappointment. If you love cute things, this one's hard to resist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this review from Online Scam Advisor. Until next time, stay smart and shop happy. Thank you.